Hi mga ka-Viva Max! Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Arlania Hector here.
Hi everyone, I am Denise Esteban. Thank you po sa mga pumunta dito sa premiere night ng Unang Tikim.
Yes, thank you very much. And together with Salome is here with us. And our two gentlemen coming up. Okay, let's pass the microphone. Please introduce yourselves and say hello.
Hi everybody, Salome Salvi here. And I'm really glad to be here to witness Unang Tikim by Director Marquez.
Yes, thank you very much. We are honored to have you all here. Up next.
Hello, good evening everyone. Sabay-sabay po natin tumayan po ang Unang Tikim na pinagbibigyan po ni Miss Angeline at Miss Rob Vinto. Directed by Roman Per. Maraming salamat po.
PJ?
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm PJ Rosario and thank you guys for coming tonight. Thank you sa pag-support sa Unang Tikim at August 7 na po ang Cinema Station 1.
There you have it. Now let me grab your microphones. Thank you so much for being here with us. Now it's time to have your photos taken. But this time around, ayan, compress tayo. Give us a pose na magpapakita ng Unang Tikim. In 3, 2, 1. Ayan na pala yun. Good evening, Ataska. Saan natin mapapanood si Ataska? Ano yung mga pelikula natin sa Viva Max?
Yes, you've seen me in Bugaw, Bishwa, Sweet Release, Secret Campus, Halo Halo X by Derek Roman, and my upcoming movie, Uhaw, with the Viva Max Queen, Angelica, showing in Viva Max next month, September.
Alright, September. Wow. Up next, Chloe, would you like to introduce yourself and greet all our friends?
Good evening everyone, I'm Chloe Joanna. Mapapanood niyo po ako sa Ligaw na Bulaklak with Aaron Villaflor and Pas Langit with Baron and Sir Ricky Davao. At ang pinaka-latest ko po with Asia Acosta, ang Buwan.
Okay, up next, Angelica.
Hello everyone. I am Angelica Cervantes. Mapapanood niyo po ako famously sa I'll Try to Forget. Kasama ko po din si Sunshine Cruz. Saka si Mr. Allen Amazon. Ang recent ko po ng movie from Viva Max is yung Cascasero. At ito po si Christine Bermans, si Angela Morena, at saka si Tepo Gonzalez.
Okay, Cascasero. Up next.
Hi everyone, it's Hannah Ortega. I'm pretty new, but you can catch me real soon on Viva Films. Thank you.
Okay, real soon. I love that. Thank you very much, ladies. And now, Ataska, it's time to invite them to watch Unang Tikim.
Yes, everyone, please do catch Unang Tikim, the first VMX original in cinemas nationwide.
Thank you very much, ladies. Now it's time to have your photos taken. Stand closer to each other and give us your biggest pose. And saan ka namin mapapanood, Aiko?
Ayan, mapapanood niyo pa rin yung mga pelikula ko like Harry Barot, Daling sa Sayaw, Maharot, bago lang, natalang. And aabangan niyo po ang Forbiro de Stars soon on Vivo.
Alright, up next we have Armina. Pakilala tayo, Armina, and greet all our friends.
Hello, I'm Armina Alegre and hello everyone. Lahat ng nasa SM North.
There you have it. Up next we have another gorgeous lady coming up.
Hello everyone, my name is Ira Salvador and it's nice to see you guys.
Alright. Saan namin kayo mapapanood, dalawa, Armina and...
Meron kaming upcoming movies like Scope, Pintor at Paraluman. This is August 16. Watch it guys.
Watch it. And Armina?
Mapapanood niyo po ang foursome sa Viva Max and makasama ko rin po dun si Ira Salvador.
Okay. Next, pakilala tayo, okay?
Hello po everyone, I'm Candy Velosa and mapapanood niyo po ako sa Dirty Ice Cream, Inet, and soon to be released on Viva Max app, F-Buddies po, and Tahong.
Alright.
Po.
Thank you so much. And of course, we have Athena.
Hello, I'm Athena Red. Mapapanood niyo po ako sa Maharot at Pintor at Paraluman soon on August 16.
Okay, and Aiko, it's time to invite everyone to watch Unang Tikim. Go ahead.
Hello everyone! Ayan, ano pang inaantay natin? Manood na kayo ng Unang Tikim, ang first Viva Max release ko. Kaya guys, malaking bagay po, nasuportahan niyo po kami para magtuloy-tuloy po tayo. Maraming salamat po.
There you have it. Thank you, Aiko. And now, ladies, it's time for a photo op. Stand closer to each other and give us your best pose. Please greet all our friends and, of course, introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening po. I am Angel Manalo.
Angel Manalo. Habang inaantay natin yung iba, saan ka namin? Anong pelikula yung meron ka na?
Wala pa. Bagong artist na.
Bagong artist na abangan natin sa Viva Max. Alright, let's pass on the microphone. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Jolie Garcia.
Ayan, bagong breed din ito ng Viva Max. Bagong breed din. Alright, marami talaga tayong aabangan ng mga artists ng Viva Max. Abangan natin ang kanilang mga future films. Meron na! Sige, i-promote na natin yan.
May first day na po ako pero once in lang ako sa kasalo.
Kasalo.
Ako yung DJ girl doon.
Okay, sa kasalo. Pwede natin siyang panoorin sa kasalo. Let's pass on the microphone. Please say hello to everyone.
Hi, my name is Trisha Gaden.
Trisha Gaden. Ayan, may pelikula na ba si Trisha ngayon? Or new breed din?
Showing lang po.
Showing.
Katatapos lang po.
Katatapos ng shoot. Ayan, naabangan natin. Ang title ay Secret. Abangan natin yan. Secret yung title. Alright. May isa pa ba tayong lady na makakasama? Alright, over here. Hello. Please grab a microphone and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Zoe Largado from Viva Max. Inaanahan ko po kayo this August 30. Showing na po ang Uhaw. Binibitahan ni Angelica also and Atas.
Wow! At syempre ngayon naman, let's pass on the microphone. Sino gustong mag-invite sa kanilang lahat para panoorin ang unang tikim? Go ahead.
Okay, inaanahan ko po kayo lahat. Manood po kayo ng unang tikim. Sobrang nakaka-excite po.
Ayan, sobrang nakaka-excite talaga. Unang tikim, August 7. Now let me get your microphone. Thank you very much. And compress lang tayo ng kaunti and give us your best pose. There you have it, ladies. Sila po ang mga bagong breed ng Viva Max Star.
Hello everyone! Maraming salamat sa pagdalo sa unang tikim. Ayan, ako po si Vern Kay. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Birthday, while we are waiting for the other ladies, saan ka namin mapapanood? Anong title ng pelikula sa Viva Max?
Actually, meron po akong ginagawa, pero hindi pa po siya nalalagay sa app. But meron po akong movie, kasama po ako sa Kaskasero. Ayan.
Kaskasero. Ayan. At meron pa tayong bagong movie na abangan from Vern. Alright, our next Viva Max star. Please greet all our friends.
Hello po, good evening. It's me, Zara Laksamana. Ayan. I'm inviting you all to please do support Unang Tikim. Ayan, directed po by Direk Roman Perez.
Yes, thank you very much. Up next.
Hi guys! My name is Rani Yoshida. I-invite ko po kayong lahat manood ng Unang Tikim ngayon sa cinema.
Okay, thank you very much. And we have another one. Okay, eto na talaga. Tatlo lang kayo. Tatlo, parang Powerpuff Girls. Okay, please be at the center. Let's take your photos. Compress all together.
Anyway, I want to invite you all Daddy Sitter on Viva Max. It's still streaming.
There you have it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We will watch your film. Up next.
Hi, I'm Chester Gresha. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat sa pagpunta ng premiere night ng Unang Tikim. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, let's pass on the mic.
Hello everyone, let's watch Unang Tikim. Support tayo sa Unang Tikim. All the way from Viva Max.
Yay!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ben Sanggalang. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta sa premiere night ng Unang Tikim.
Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po pala si Solo Kim. Huwag niyo po kalimutan panoorin ang Unang Tikim. Thank you po.
There you have it. Now, Benz, yung pang Viva Max na promotion, paano mo sila iimbitahan lahat panoorin ang Unang Tikim? Kaya mo yan.
Basta, sigurado ako, hindi niyo makakalimutan yung unang tikim niyo pag napanood.
Yun naman. Hindi niyo malilimutan ang unang tikim. Once mapanoodin niyo ang unang tikim. Okay, thank you very much. Let me grab your microphones. Let's have your photos taken. Gentlemen, compress and smile.
Hi everyone, I'm Rob Quinto. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Rob Quinto, kaano mo si Rob Quinto?
Actually, madami pong nagtatanong, pero to be honest, nagkataon na po kami same ng last name.
Same ng last name. Okay. Thank you very much. Saan natin mapapanood ang mga pelikula mo?
Mapapanood nyo po sa Init, now streaming on Viva Max and sa Takas, Maligo. Yun po.
Alright, thank you very much. Let's pass on the mic.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Kino Castellan.
Kino, saan ka namin mapapanood?
Last movie ko po, Punit na Langit, directed by Ro Pahanma Jr.
Okay, Punit na Langit. Siyempre, streaming pa rin ang Viva Max. Up next, let's pass on the microphone.
Hello everyone, this is Selena Castillo. My last movie is Wanted Girlfriend and yung last po is Boy Kaldag.
Boy Kaldag. Okay, thank you very much. Alright, it's now time to introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Sahar Bernales. Napanood niyo po ako sa Lakab, Himas, Gatas, and Malituko.
Okay, and now, lagay natin sa gitna ang microphone. Let's invite them unang tikim, August 7 na. Okay? In 3, 2, 1.
Unang tikim, August 7 na.
There you have it. Thank you very much. Let me grab that mic and let's have your photos taken. All together.
I'm super grateful po na naging part po dito sa unang tikim, kaya abangan niyo na po. Thank you.
There you have it. Gusto din namin malaman ano bang role ni Christy dito.
Ang role ko dito, ako yung jowa dito ni Rob Quinto. So ako yung pagsaselosin ko dito si Angelica. Kaya abangan niyo, manood na kayo.
Ayan, abangan natin. Alright, ang next layer.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, anong role ni Lea dito sa pelikulang unang tikim?
As a DJ and friend nila Angelica.
Ayan, as a DJ. Abangan natin ang role na yan. Audrey?
Hi everyone, I'm Audrey Avila as a pinsan na boyish yan ni Rob. Abangan niyo po na tikim.
Ayan, pinsan na boyish. Ngayon hindi siya boyish. Very sexy. Okay naman, ladies. It's time to give us your best pose. Pero dapat naka-concept. Yung pose na pang-unang tikim. Okay? Smile, compress. And 3, 2,